You're watching Ashira in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with Asparagus Plumosus farm. Asparagus Plumosus farm is a plant that you can grow indoors and outdoors. And today I'm back again to talk about, is your Asparagus Plumosus farm becoming brown and turning brown, and the things you can do about it to prevent it from turning brown. So when your Asparagus plumosus plant starts turning brown, then those are signs that sometimes it's dying and you have to do something. All the conditions that you have put it in are not favorable for it. But for it to stop going brown and for it to be rejuvenated, you can do a few things. First, try to remove it from the direct sunlight you've put it in, or stop overwatering it if you're overwatering it, because that also makes it turn brown. And also try to change the soil, repot it and put it in a bigger container, and it will stop becoming brown too. The other thing is, do not forget to fertilize your Asparagus plumosus. The other thing why your Asparagus plumosus farm may be turning brown is maybe you take long to water it and it's drying out. Make sure you're not overwatering it and make sure you're not underwatering it, because that's very, very essential. So when your Asparagus plumosus farm has these right conditions, it's in good lighting, don't put it in a dark place because it will not work, and don't put it in direct sunlight because it will also dry out. So if it is in these good conditions, it will thrive. I know mine is already big, but sometimes when I change location, because sometimes I change it in places, it becomes brown. So recently I put it in a place, I think it was too much light and direct sunlight, and in the evening it started turning brown. So it just got a few brown pieces. Here they are. And sometimes it can also turn, the leaves can all turn green, turn brown. So make sure that it's not turning brown. And if you understand all those tips and tricks, you will have a healthy Asparagus plumosus farm that is not turning brown. And wishing you success on growing that Asparagus plumosus. However, just try to make it pop in your house. And thanks for watching. If you're new here, I would love you to subscribe, and thanks for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and check out our online store to purchase something that support this channel. If you're interested in supporting this channel, leave us a comment below and we will also get back to you. And just check out the links in the description. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can grow more plants. And watch out and watch my next videos on everything I do videos about. So see you soon and see you next week here on Ashira.